Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing great. Let's look at the charts a little bit. In the last few days, Bitcoin showed some strength, which I like. It basically spiked the previous lows and retraced the entire move, which is really bullish. You can see here, this is my mark, that's a sort of a deviation and reclaim. It's showing some strength. It's also looking like it wants to make a higher high now. If we close today like this or higher, I would like today close a little bit higher than we are now. But it's looking already better than it looked last week. I would say it's not as bearish. Also, if we try to draw a trend line, I know this is not the best one, to be honest. It's not the most obvious one because I one touch, two touch, three touches here. So it is breaking it, sort of. But we need to close stronger than we are now today for confirmation. The other sign I see is also here with the RSI. And it also looks like it's breaking it. Higher like this. So I would say these are three bullish signs. It's also looking a little bit stronger than the traditional markets. So S&P is not rallying as much, I would say, as Bitcoin. So it's showing some relative strength against the traditional markets as well. So I would say these are some signs of strength. But I would really like Bitcoin to move a little bit more now. Showing a little bit more strength, that would be an additional confirmation. At the moment, it looks like the first 2 days were quite strong. Now it's looking like strength is giving away. So yeah, I would like to see a little bit more strength today, to be honest. Just as a confirmation, because this was just okay, the first sign. Now we have two additional signs, so it's definitely looking better than last week, but it's still not the most bullish chart. I would say if we can reclaim the previous resistance, then that start looking really bullish, in my opinion. Until then, it's just, I would say, the first signs of strength, which can go away pretty quickly. But until then, I would definitely not short this now. So it's looking better, but it's also, it's not the strongest move yet. So I would like to see some more follow through, and then we can start saying, okay, now the charts have started to turn. Let's look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, a little bit less strength, I would say. So it's not, I don't think it's breaking a trend line, even if we move this a little bit differently. So we're not there yet. This is not even that good. So yeah, Ethereum, I think if Bitcoin starts rallying, Ethereum will follow. But I think at the moment, Bitcoin is showing a little bit more strength than Ethereum, which is good. I like that. Ethereum, Bitcoin as well. Like we can see, it's basically just hanging here at support, so to say. This is like a middle, like a short-term support somewhere here. So yeah, if we see some stronger action from Bitcoin, I think this will start going up as well. But I still think, and I hope, that Bitcoin will lead this move. So from that perspective, I like what's Bitcoin doing now more than I liked it last week. But still, I would like to see a little bit more strength. If we go down to the 4-hourly, yeah, it's looking like it's gonna break, but it's not the strongest move and it can retrace. So on the 4-hourly, it basically broke it already. But 4-hour is still a lower time frame, so not the highest conviction. I would like to see this break the daily trend. Then I'll be becoming more bullish. Yeah, that's the update. Just a quick update. Let's see what the price is doing at the end of the day, and I'll post an update tomorrow. Thank you, everyone.